Whether you'd like to improve your overall health or slim down and tone up for summer, burning excess fat can be challenging. Thankfully, there are plenty of simple steps you can take to increase fat burning. Here are 10 weight loss tips to burn fat fast. 10. Start strength training. Strength training increases resting energy expenditure and reduces belly fat, especially when combined with aerobic exercise. 9. Try intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting reduces body weight as well as body fat and helps preserve muscle mass when combined with resistance training. 8. Increase your iron intake. An iron deficiency is associated with impaired thyroid function and can cause symptoms like fatigue and shortness of breath. A study found that treating iron deficiency aided in weight loss. 7. Drink coffee. Coffee contains caffeine, which can increase the breakdown of fat and raise metabolism. Some studies show that higher caffeine intake may be associated with greater weight loss. 6. Get more sleep. Getting enough sleep may decrease appetite and hunger, as well as lowers the risk of weight gain. 5. Eat more protein. Eating more protein lowers the risk of increased belly fat. Increasing your protein intake decreases appetite, lowers calorie intake and preserves muscle mass. 4. Eat more healthy fats. Fat is digested slowly, which can help reduce appetite. A higher intake of healthy fats lowers the risk of weight gain and decreases belly fat. 3. Drink healthier beverages. Sugar-sweetened beverages and alcoholic drinks are associated with a higher risk of belly fat. Green tea and water increase weight loss and fat burning. 2. Fill up on fiber. A higher intake of fiber is associated with fat loss, decreased calorie intake and weight loss. 1. Cut down on refined carbs. Refined carbs are low in fiber and nutrients. They also increase hunger and cause spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. Consuming refined carbs increases belly fat. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Top Shelf Health.